From our previous videos, you should be well aware of who's controlling the chart. Hygeia Goddess of Cleanses, cleansing our magnetic field, or Cancer, so you can be induced by Vesta, the Vestal Virgins, the protector of the Hearth, or Heart, in Leo, trying to get you ready for Judgment Day, or the weighing of the heart ceremony. These two goddesses are over top of the chart, separated by the moon's nodes in a heads-up opposition of Taurus, the earthen mother, and Scorpio, procreation. Do you get it? Cleanse, heart, mothers, procreation. While all the other luminaries are on one side of the chart, except for Mars, the change agent, who is aligned exactly opposite Juno, the earthen mother, goddess of the sky, in retrograde on April 13th, 2021. Note that they are on the extremely energetic cusp between Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Gemini. And at the same time, Lilith, queen of temptation, whom brings great energies to those whom resist desires, is exactly aligned with Pallas, goddess of communities and wisdom. Note that they are in the cleansing baptismal waters of Aquarius. What does this mean? Resist materialistic temptations while cleansing in community with others. Also, the mother of all mothers, Eris, aka Isis, Madonna, etc., meets with you, the sun, at the end of Pisces, telling you to end the materialistic desires. Know that the mother of all mothers is coming into our head, Aries, for the third time, staying longer each time. On April the 18th, 2021, this is a work-harding exercise, get it? To see if we've cleaned up our house, our mind. We've just told you in the previous slides what she's expecting. If you are good, then everything will be just fine. If you need help, follow these laws. It's really easy. Special thanks to these beautiful people for all their passionate work. Peace and love. Words from within the song, Stairway to Heaven. There's still time to change the road you're on.